with up to 20 hours of listening time, best-in-class active noise cancellation, and magical experience. AirPods Max sets the new standard for over-ear headphones.
That's how Apple has played one more time. Not sure intentionally or unintentionally, but definitely from tomorrow morning, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot of memes around the case of this particular headphones. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Fun Indian Guy channel. It's right now 12:29 a.m. on Wednesday night in India. I just saw the news of Apple launching the new headphones a couple of hours ago.
Introducing AirPods
And
Max.
then I decided to go through the videos, and I was watching videos about it, watching the launching videos, went to the website, saw the amazing web design which has been done for the product page of these particular headphones, got pumped, also got shocked to see the pricing of this particular thing to be $549. That's quite a lot as a price for the headphones, but then again, they are coming up with amazing technology, with a lot of new things and a lot of innovation which has been there in this particular product. But one particular thing which caught my attention in this whole situation, whole drop of this new product by Apple, is yet another meme material which has been provided for all the creative people out there through the kind of cover or kind of the case which they have created for this particular Apple headphones piece. So Apple has been quite notorious. I don't know if on purpose or by chance, their products have been jokes for a while, and that has generated a lot of marketing, passive marketing, which got really active in terms of creating memes about different things. If you remember the legendary ones being the 4-camera or 3-camera setup which was there on the iPhone 10 or iPhone X, which got a lot of attention, and a lot of people made a lot of memes around it, with like 4 stove tabletops and all those things, having scratch pads for DJs and all those things. It was quite creative and quite interesting. And then when they launched the Mac Pro, people started to talk about the grill of it to be like a cheese grater or something like that. And all these products have been part of the meme culture for a while, and yet again with this new product which Apple has just launched a couple of hours ago, this particular case or the cover which they have created, which I'm seeing right now on my laptop, it's quite funny. It looks like Garfield sleeping. It also looks like a purse. It also looks a bit naughty in a way. I don't know how to put it, but the shape is not so, like, from the pictures which I'm seeing right now on the screen, it's quite funny. And it's definitely catching a lot of eye of the meme people right now, I'm pretty sure. And that's why I was like, let me put this out there and let me have a comment about it. And that's why I'm sitting down here on my beanbag right now with a very casual setup. My frame is also, I don't know, I quickly tried to put the camera together with the light, and you can actually see me sitting in the boxer on my beanbag. But that's how Apple has played one more time. Not sure intentionally or unintentionally, but definitely from tomorrow morning, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot of memes around the case of this particular headphones. The headphones are marvelous. They have amazing technology put inside. I'm gonna explore that. I might also talk about it on our Daily-ish podcast. But for now, they have created one more material or one more raw material in a way for the people, for the meme creators, for the joke makers out there. And I'm gonna look forward to watch a lot of memes, see a lot of jokes on internet from tomorrow morning or in a couple of hours, or maybe they're already out there. I don't know. Just wanted to talk about it, as what happened is 3 days ago on Saturday, not 3, 4-5 days ago on Saturday, I made a podcast about how Warner Bros are dropping movies on internet through streaming on HBO Max. I recorded the podcast, but somehow I did not edit it and I did not put it out there. And then I saw Lou later, the guy from Unbox Therapy, put exactly similar kind of a clip from his longer podcast where he talked about the Warner Bros situation about dropping movies on the streaming platforms, which was very interesting. I'm not saying if I would have put it before him, I would have got a lot of listens, but it's just that the idea was there. I did the work. It's just that I got too lazy with editing, and that's why I was like, no, right now I just want to put it out there. Let's see how creative people get, and I hope they see what I saw. Otherwise, this whole video will not make any sense. So the main learning, which is the passive learning which I'm having right now here with this situation, is when you drop amazing products out there, when you create something really amazing and phenomenal, make sure you also add something which will be completely weird and which will get a lot of attention out there, and people will talk about it, maybe in a funny way, but that is going to generate a lot of marketing for you anyway, because now people will talk about it, now people will put jokes out there, now people will spread the word, and without you as a company putting in money, of course you have put a lot of money already, but without you putting extra money for this mouth publicity, you get amazing outputs. So I somewhere I believe Apple has a team of super duper funny creative people sitting at California and planning these things, planning these meme materials in advance, and these are also like a serious meetings where they go and talk about with along with the amazing noise cancellation feature. This is the meme feature which we're going to create for this particular product. I really like to believe that. I'm not sure if it's that way or if it's not. Nonetheless, it's amazing to talk about it. By the way, this is the channel called the Fun Indian Guy channel, where we talk about design, creativity, innovation. And I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Suyog, also known as the Fun Indian Guy. I'm a service designer, filmmaker, musician, podcaster, and a founder of an innovation company. And this is a channel where we talk about creativity, design, innovation, as I said earlier. With that, don't forget to have fun while you create stuff. Don't forget to have fun while you create memes. Don't forget to have fun while you add some value to somebody's life, because that fun factor keeps us going. And I'll catch you in the next video or next podcast. Till the time, take care, stay safe, and ciao.